Hello everyone, and welcome to the installation tutorial for the ImoLaza Ultra Smart Irrigation Controller. This video will guide you through the entire installation process, helping you quickly and easily replace your old controller in just 15 minutes. Before starting the installation, please make sure that the location where you plan to install the controller has a good Wi-Fi signal, and prepare all necessary tools in advance. The package includes all the accessories you need, including the controller, power cable, key, screws, wall anchors, connector caps, wire label stickers, wiring diagram, mounting template, and user manual. Step 1. Before removing the old controller, test all irrigation zones to ensure they are functioning properly. Step 2. Turn off the power to the old controller. Check the wiring and use the label stickers to mark each wire. Then take a photo with your phone as a backup. After that, disconnect all wires and remove the old controller. After removing the old controller, use the mounting template to mark the position for the new one. Make sure the wires are long enough. Use your phone as a level to align the bottom holes. Then mark the hole positions, drill holes, and install the wall anchors. Gently tap the anchors into place. Align the controller with the holes and get ready to mount it. Use the provided screws to securely install the controller on the wall. The M terminal is for connecting the master valve or pump start relay. On the old controller, it may be labeled M, MV, P, or pump. The C terminal is the common terminal for the common wire. You may connect to either one. You can also connect a rain sensor using the S1 and C terminals, and a flow sensor using S2 and 24V- terminals. ImoLaza Ultra features large screw terminals for easier wiring. Simply loosen each terminal screw slightly, insert the wire, and tighten the screw clockwise. Follow the label stickers to connect each zone wire in order. After connecting, compare with the photo you took earlier to ensure all connections are correct. Once confirmed, let's hook up the power cable. Connect the black wire to the live wire, the white wire to the neutral wire, and the green wire to the ground wire. Then put the cover back on. ImoLaza Ultra is waterproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Finally, add the controller to your ImoLaza account. Once added, you can use ImoLaza app to test each zone and ensure all functions are working properly. That's it. We hope this video has been helpful to you.